In this video, we are going to learn how to create a ruler in Canva. First, go ahead and click on the design you want to work with. Next, navigate to the File menu and select Settings. There you'll find the option to Show Rulers and Guides. Click on it, and you'll notice that the ruler and guide are now activated for your design. Once that's done, head over to the Elements tab. Use the search bar to look for line and click on it. You'll see a Shapes option appear. Click on See All to view lines in various formats. Pick a line you like and simply drag and drop it onto your template. Feel free to add as many lines as you need by dragging and dropping them into the template. Once you're satisfied, within that, select a particular line to animate. You'll then see the Line Type option. Click on it to explore different styles. Here you can transform the line into various shapes, such as curves or elbows. Additionally, you can tweak the angle of any given line to fit your needs, adjusting it to 20 degrees, 30 degrees, or any other angle you prefer. Then select Text option to name each line. This is how we can effectively add rulers in Canva. Thank you for watching.